Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to unlock any Motorola phone from your carrier. Today I'm going to be using my Motorola G72, but this will work for any model. This will make your phone compatible with any SIM card. Unlocking a phone is not a free process, but I'll show you the best and the easiest way to remotely unlock your device, meaning that everything is done over the air, no cables and no software required. So with that said, let's begin. Step 1. We need to get the phone's IMEI number. We will get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the IMEI number will show up in the screen. This number can also be found in the box and in the settings of your device. Step 2. Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video, so just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important, otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm going to show you how the email I got looks. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just going to open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful and now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're going to have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm going to show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm going to switch back cameras. Step 3. After receiving the notification that your phone has been unlocked, we're going to power off the device and you will need to remove the SIM card tray and insert a non-supported SIM card. In other words, a SIM card that is different from the original carrier. Once you have inserted a SIM card power on your device, it will take a few seconds to recognize the new device, and a message will pop up requesting the unlock code. If you received an unlock code in your email, this is the time to enter it, and press unlock. You will get a success message indicating that your phone has now been unlocked. Perfect, now you can use your phone with any carrier anywhere in the world. For some US carriers like T-Mobile, you will need to launch the Device Unlock app, which is an app that is already pre-installed in your device. Simply open the app and click activate the unlock by pressing unlock. And after that, your phone should be fully unlocked. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.